that have taken over is coming out of a military establishment that predates the current president. At least allegedly, they say that the new head, I believe Shishani is how you say it, that he in fact was very close to the former president. He did in fact play a key role in preventing some coups previously, but nonetheless, that's his history is in the military establishment, tied into the sort of political establishment and how that works with the broader elites in a country like Niger, and had moved very quickly. And there's a lot of different context, and I don't want to get into it all here. I mean, there's a lot to be said about whether or not he was potentially facing ouster or whatever it may have been. But it does seem that there was a basic disagreement over some of the key aspects. When they took over, they said that they were doing it because of the security situation, and also because of poor, or I think they said bad, social and economic governance. So that is, to some degree, there's the proximate factors that I think are what's bringing the population onto the streets in order to support this. And I think you can see that that's very clear. I want to note that there was a Reuters article that I believe came out today, it might have been yesterday, but they were out there, they had a reporter on the ground, just to quote directly from Reuters, residents of Niamey, the capital of Niger, who spoke to Reuters were strongly supportive of the coup. Then also they went on to say that people wanted there to be a closer relationship with Mali and Burkina Faso. But you can see there, you have the proximate issues of the security issue, poverty, and so on and so forth, that I think is leading the masses to support this coup that seems to, at least rhetorically at this point, say that it's speaking to those concerns. And then I think you have sort of the internal politics of the quote-unquote regime in and of itself that are playing out, and those two things coming together are what made it possible for the president to be able to